Talent management consists of attracting, onboarding, developing, motivating, and retaining high-performing employees. It is aimed at improving business performance through HR practices that make employees more productive. Attracting top talents, selecting the right talent, retaining talents, developing them, and transitioning talents forms the essence of talent management. For instance, great companies like Apple have a strong company culture to attract a workforce that does not just work for compensation. Employees of Apple share the same beliefs and values and therefore are willing to exhibit discretionary efforts that eventually lead to business success. Here are the top reasons to invest in talent management, or why you should have an HR business partner aligned to your business. Increase employee motivation, attract and retain top talent, cover critical roles, increase employee performance, enhance employee engagement, and improve overall business performance. Let's get at each significant phase. Number one is planning. The planning stage of talent management is comprised of three key areas. 1. Understanding the organization's strategy. HR, as brand ambassadors of the organization, should align themselves to the company's overall business strategy while designing an HR talent agenda. Number 2. Under planning, evaluation and measurement, like SMART objectives: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. The talent agenda, though qualitative in many ways, should have measurable standards. And the last one under planning is to develop a workforce plan. The optimal capacity aligned to organizational capabilities would aid economies of scale in a highly competitive market. Attracting talent, employee value proposition. The brand value of an organization is directly proportional to the goodwill that would reflect as an intangible asset in the balance sheet, making it the best company to work for. Marketing. Marketing is not just a responsibility of a marketing executive, no, but it reflects in the behavior of a company's happy employees, satisfied customers, happy vendors and suppliers who all see a lot of value in being associated with the company. Talent acquisition. The recruitment team acts as the first face to an external applicant. Regardless of the outcome of the screening process, the values showcased by a recruiter, guiding a prospect with compassion, respect, discipline, and transparency, adds up to the organization's appeal quotient. Point number 3, developing talent. Proper induction and subsequent training equips a newcomer to perform the role as expected by the company. Goal-setting exercise with key defined areas, clearly defined and with specific indicators, KPIs, aligned to them would result in fostering a culture of responsibility and ownership. Performance evaluation conducted in a fair and transparent manner would result in not only addressing areas of concern in a constructive manner, but also paves a way towards identifying, recognizing, and rewarding top talents. Career paths through career ladder and career lattice could then be tailor-made for an employee to have clear visibility of his or her career roadmap. The training and development team will therefore play a significant role in transforming talents, placing high potential resources on an accelerated career track. Point number 4, retaining talents. A company's culture is a collective representation of interactions that happen constantly between the employer and employee, within the team, between managers, across functions, with their clients, customers, and even trade union members. A true sense of belongingness develops when an organization's culture helps a newcomer quickly adapt and become an integral part of its human capital framework. Organizations that uphold a thank you culture, rewarding its employees and keen on investing in its employees, not just focused on productivity, but overall well-being and holistic people development, will have fewer challenges when compared to their competitors who do not. Compensation as a monetary reward, along with bonus plans, pay for performance, fringe benefits, perks for executives, etc., would only supplement the retention strategy. And finally, point number 5, transitioning. Talent transitioning takes many forms, as succession plan, talent mobility, employees reaching their age of retirement, exit interviews, the list goes on. Talent transitioning would mean having a robust succession plan in place with critical roles mapped to the identified incumbent. Talent mobility plays a pivotal role in exchanging talent within the same geography or across borders for talent tapping and in line with career aspirations of the employee, resulting in a win-win situation. Employees reaching their age of retirement are informed well in advance. Some of them get an opportunity to continue as consultants on an extended non-permanent role. This helps organizations in leveraging their talents, piggybacking on the wealth of knowledge acquired by them through decades of experience. Knowledge management as well as knowledge transition while switching roles to ensure continuity of business continuity plan forms an important part of an HR business partner's responsibility. Exit interviews are conducted while being sensitive to the reason for alternative choices made by an employee outside its premises. Full and final settlement should not become the burden of an employee leaving the system, but should be taken care of by an HR business partner who would make the exit of every employee as good as his or her date of joining. That's the main reason why even to this day, while I speak, countless talents, including myself, keep coming back to have another stint with their ex-employers. All these factors would make an HR business partner's talent management role exciting, at the same time challenging in a highly competitive market where the war for talent just got intense. Thank you and see you soon.